The old washing machine now is gone. We tried to fix it, but we couldn't. So now we have a new one. I'll be showing you guys how to fix the new washing machine back to the base. First of all, you need to make sure that nothing. This is a safety valve. Okay, I think we can leave this one if it's not coming out, but try to take it off, man. Okay, see, this is out, and then we need to lose all this to keep that place. Okay, still more to lose. This one is gonna be going off as well. Okay, so coming off, and then this one, them. Make sure you move them. This is not supposed to be there. Okay, good. This one is taking it off as well. Going off. And this one.